Oh, the one without the button? Oh yeah, no, we're doing it now. We got.
Did you see that? His hat without the button.
We got some goods, y'all. Loaded up on some hats. First ever hat without a button. What do you think about that, Chris? Ain't sure about that.
No, there's something wrong about that.
But it's a Hornady hat, man. Day one on the Fishing Expo, pulling up to our hotel. It's been a good day. Got Scotty Allen, Troup Farm and Yard. Chris Daniel with Auto Gallery, Chevrolet, former Troup Farm and Yard. Quit on us, but nah. Rolling in, day one. Gosh, you smell it?
That thing didn't beep. I'd have been in trouble. Crazy.
See y'all.
See ya.
Jeez, man, you're tearing stuff up. Good Lord.
It was your poster.
Take them out. You can't take them nowhere, though. Tear stuff up. We're not rock stars, Chris. Can't tear the place down. He drank a rock star. He thought he was a rock star.
Put a dent in this type of milk.
Feel sorry for that toilet later.
Does that make the cut?
Oh, absolutely. So, hey guys, as you can tell, some buddies and I have hit the road this week. I was invited by a good friend of mine, Scotty Allen, who owns Troup Farm and Yard, to go with him and Chris to an annual outdoor and fishing expo hosted by Ferris Brothers. The Ferris Brothers is Troup Farm and Yard's wholesaler, and they invite all of their different dealers to come out each year to see what these vendors have to offer. Now, Troup Farm and Yard's a feed and seed store. They've been in business for a little over 10 years. And about 4 years ago, Scotty started carrying some outdoor supplies like shooting houses, deer stands, scent covers, trail cameras, and the like. And then last year, he started dabbling into that fishing. Fishing supplies is popping and catfishing is booming. So this year, I asked Troup Farm and Yard if they'd be willing to be a sponsor of the West Point Catfish Anglers Tournament Trail. He was excited at this opportunity, and well, he's going to be giving a gift certificate to each of the tournaments for the 2025 season. So I'm looking forward to having him out there, and he's going to have a few various catfish rods and rigs and different terminal tackle in his shop. So I'm happy to have Troup Farm and Yard on board. Y'all go check him out. He's over there on Hogansville Rd in LaGrange, Georgia. Check him out on Facebook too. That might crank in a catfish. Y'all, I'm like a kid at a candy store. This place has been crazy. There's anything and everything you want in here, and they have, my buddies have got pricing to stock their store. So hopefully what we're gonna do is get a couple of the rods in stock that you guys are looking for, and if you want one, go up to Troup Farm and Yard and pick them up, because in a couple of weeks, maybe you'll have some really cool options up there. So Scotty's gonna be a sponsor of the West Point Catfish Anglers group for their monthly catfish tournaments, and hopefully you guys can win one of the raffles and go in there and spend some money with them. So, checking out these knives at this booth right here. But anyway, it's been a cool trip. So definitely next year.